So this is a 1950s house in Defuniak Springs, and it was originally a boarding house. Right next door, there used to be a hospital, legend has it. So it has not one, not two, but three front doors. This one's going to be painted a different color so we know that's the real front door. DoorDash. So coming in here, there's a lot of things going on. We've got some electrical going in, it's getting rewired, so that's super exciting. And just a lot of progress. We had wood paneling on all of the walls like this, and I was happy to see that there's some kind of shiplap behind it. No, I'm not going to leave the shiplap. It's getting covered up with drywall just because this is the style of shiplap it is, or whatever you want to call the wood walls. It is, it just ages it. And I've painted the kitchen to try to see like, hey, what does it look like? And it looks dated. So we're going to solve that by a little bit of drywall and some modern touches because it's an old house. I don't want it to smell and feel like an old house as it can when there's, a lot of wood throughout it. So here is the utility room, and you can tell that the utility room used to be, it was an addition because there's some exterior walls. So I was very happy to see just how much good solid woodwork and good quality wood was throughout this house. I mean, really, here's new lumber, right? Just like that. Ugh. And just the solid, I found some like cedar, I believe it's cedar trusses that we have in the attic. And it's just really, it's really been neat to see it get dug into. But one thing that was really cool, a mystery of the house, and I'm a little dirty, I've been sanding, is this. So here is a wall that comes out, right? We always thought like, okay, they probably had HVAC they were going to do or something. Little piece of wall there, right? And then the closet on the other side, there is a little piece of wall that comes out here, a little square. We have a secret in this house. We have a secret chimney. So there we go, mortared up, poorly mortared, is a sloppy old brick chimney. And I'm gonna move this around a little bit so you can really see it. But that's what's on the other side of the wall. I've known generations of owners of this house, and none of them had any idea that there was a chimney in this place. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, moving around here, just a lot of movement. I mean, we've got bathroom getting tidied up, just a lot of wall, when you have to run new wiring, there's going to be some holes in the wall. The old panel, mercy. There's the old panel. It's not all aluminum probably. We had knob and tube type stuff here at some point. And yeah, just exciting transition into actually having closets. You guys, come rent this house and you'll have a closet. And anyway, we're fixing it up. We're deciding what we want to do after that. But we're gonna have a closet in this room. This room had 3 bedrooms and 1 closet. 3 bedrooms and just 1 bathroom. Now, originally with the renovation plans, we were going to install a secondary bathroom, but even with reasonable quotes, it was just coming out to be a bit much because we had to move walls and stuff to really logistically make it work. So anyway, exciting stuff on the home front. I was very happy to see that as we were removing paneling, some areas where there was discoloration on walls and stuff, there was not a bunch of wood rot. So I was very glad to see just the integrity of the house, just well made. And it's old, and it took a long time for me to feel comfortable getting somebody in here to open up the walls. But yeah, it's really neat to see progress in a torn up house. I'm happy to see it torn up. It just means progress. It means something better is coming. And I can't wait to show you guys the finished product. So anyway, I'm done for the day. I have killed 5 batteries. Sanding and scraping, so that is all the batteries I possess. And I've even bought a couple batteries. I had 3, kept killing them, and now I'm gonna charge some batteries and move along. So have a great day. I'm going to finally be off work here and maybe give myself a weekend. I don't know, I might treat myself and not sand and scrape over the weekend. I hope you have a great weekend, guys, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye.